now into the heart of the design. So this is the living hub, isn't it? So we've got kitchen, dining and living area. What we've done here, we've pushed this wall out underneath the eave to create that niche for our TV and audio visual, cabinetry. And I like the layout of the lounges here. I mean, the face-to-face layout's pretty good. Okay, so living straight into the dining. I do like how it's central. Traditionally, dinings are off to the side, but I just like how it's the connectivity of it between the three bits of living space. Okay, so over here, I like what they've done here. They've recessed a niche into the stairwell here. So opportunity for drop zone and more drawers. I mean, you can't have enough storage, can you? Look at that. Now, straight away, I'm seeing they've lowered the breakfast bar. So, I mean, it's different. Traditionally, it's about this height, but I do how like they've dropped it down. So, you know, little kiddies, you know, it's perfect for mum to help the little ones out in the morning. I do like that. Look at the slab ends. Solid stuff, eh? What they've done here also, they've taken the sink that's usually here and they've put it on the other side. So it's kept this free for preparation. I mean, that's awesome. Okay, plenty of drawers. I like that. Measure undermount sink, full measure stone, double oven, cooktop. Oh, I like the look of this. Look at that architectural square range hood. Now look at this. Off to the right, they've put a sash window here, stacked as, you know, it could be a servery window, but also gets that crossflow ventilation. And then off to here, the scullery. Let's have a look. Now it's huge. I mean, look at the size of it. Plenty of room for your double fridge. Overhead cupboards again. Niches either side for bits and pieces. Like the glazing, bringing that natural light in. Plenty of cupboard space again here. Plenty of bench tops. Open shelving. More drawers. Overhead cupboards. There's your built-in microwave. And look, drawers. Pot drawers. Plenty of them. There you go. Check this out. Bin cupboard. I like that.